When you first meet PT and you look at all our services, it can feel a little confusing. I meet people and talk to them about what we do, and they go, why do you do this or why do you do that? All of our services have come from one core thing: listening to our clients, understanding what they need, what they want from us, and then trying to deliver that. When we started, we did testing and lab reports. And these lab reports were valuable. They helped build the business. They contained great hands-on testing, technical proof points. But when we listened closely to our clients, what we learned was they were having to take these lab reports, hand them to other people, and create marketing materials. It takes weeks, typically a quarter, to create these materials. So we started building an agency inside what we call our studio team, which is now an award-winning agency. And what that team specializes in is taking those great results from industry-leading experts doing hands-on work and turning it into award-winning collateral. We have a collateral interactive tool that's more than 24 different types of collateral we can create for you. And we have built across all of those, and we're always creating new types of material. But then listening again to our clients, we learn that there's an audience that is frequently underserved. And that audience is the sales team. If your own sales team doesn't understand your products and solutions, they won't be able to sell them as well as if they really get them. They need training, they need tools, sales enablement tools to help them. And so we started a sales enablement and e-learning practice, which we grew partly organically and partly through an acquisition. When we put them all together, we give you an unparalleled ability to tell your story in forms that will help you succeed. When you use all of those parts of PT, you get a complete package that helps you more effectively communicate your product's virtues to all the different audiences you're serving, and ultimately boost your sales more.